our area.
Yeah.
This is not your bloody area.
This is not your area.
No.
This is our area.
This is our area.
I understand.
Because the line is very clear.
No, it's not. It's clear to us, but it's not clear to you.